Welcome back friends, welcome to another episode of KW Tech official YouTube channel. And in this video we are going to show you guys that how you can wirelessly transfer data from Android device to your laptop, or from your laptop to Android device without any application or software. So let's get started. First of all, what you need to do is you have that the both the devices like laptop or Android must have a Wi-Fi enable Android phone, and a laptop must have Wi-Fi option in it. So what you need to do is you have two options. One is that first of all, what you need to do is you have to turn on the hotspot of your Android phone and connect your laptop to that hotspot. Or you can simply do it like in my case, my laptop and my Android device both are connected to a same router. So if you have a Wi-Fi router, just connect both of the devices to that Wi-Fi router. This will work for you. So let's get started. After setting up the router and your both devices are connected to that Wi-Fi router, now you need to just go to the Google Play Store and search for Wi-Fi FTP Server and install the Wi-Fi FTP Server application on your Android phone. And here you see it is now installed. After that, just click on this green button open, and now you will see a setting option. Just click on it, and here you see a lot of options. Here I just want to show you that you have a user ID and a password option. If you want to use these options, then it is up to you, and it will make your connection more secure. But in my case, I'm not using right now. After that, just click on start and then click on allow, and this is the information is shown. You have to copy this information from here, and now go to your laptop and go to this PC option in your laptop and right click on it and go to add a network location. Just click on it, and after that you will see this window. Just click on next, and now click on choose a custom network location and click on next. And here you have to provide the internet or network address. So this is the network address that you will see in your Android phone, that is showing on the screen as well. So just type that address here, and after verifying it that it is absolutely same identical that is on displaying on your Android phone, and you need to click on next. And after that, just click on next again. Log on anonymously. You can select this and click on next, and here you need to just click on next and then click on finished. This is check that open this network location. When I click finish, when you check it and click on the finish, it will open in front of you when it's finished. So here you see this is open in front of us, and this is our Android phone. All data is now showing on this network drive. So now I'm copying a software from desktop to the Android phone, and you see it is copying easily that software from our PC to Android storage. So similarly, now I am going to copy some data from Android to my desktop, and here you see I'm just dragging dropping data here, and here you see it is copying and it is working absolutely fine. So I hope that this video will be helpful for you. If you find it helpful, do subscribe our channel KW Tech Official. Inshallah we will meet you again in the next video. Take care and have a nice day.